Good morning to all. In this series of flower description, today we will discuss Chenopodium belonging to the family Chenopodiaceae. First of all, we discuss some field recognition characteristics of Chenopodiaceae. They are helophytic. Plants grow in salt-rich soil, xerophytic or succulent, annual or perennial herbs or shrubs. Leaves and stem mealy to touch. Flowers monoclemadymus, small and greenish. Placentation basal and fruit is urtical. This family is of about 102 genera and over 1400 species. Chenopodiaceae is cosmopolitan in distribution, found chiefly in saline and xeric habitats. About 20 genera and 55 species represent the family in India. And some of the genera with their common names and approximate number of their world over reported species are Atriplex, about 200, also known as saltbush, Salsola with 150 species, also known as glasswort, Chenopodium with over 150 species, also known as goosefoot, Kochia with 90 species, Beta, that is sugar beet or chukandar with 6 species, and Spinacia with 3 species, also known as spinach or palak. Now we come to the description of Chenopodium. This is flowering plant of Chenopodium. This is diagrammatic representation of the Chenopodium. Branch with flowers. This is open flower. This is LS flower. This is floral diagram of inflorescence, LS fruit, and floral diagram of the flower. Now we come to the description of the flower. It is wild annual herb. Root is branched or taproot. The stem is herbaceous, erect, branched, angular, solid, densely hairy. Younger parts are stripped, sometimes with purple or green strips, green or partly red. You can see it here. There are strips, green and partly red strips. Now leaf. This is colline and ramal. Simple, alternate, X stipulate, petiolate, variable in shape, that is ovate, oblong or lanceolate, entire or serrate. This is entire, this is serrate. So there is variation in the shape and size, acute unicosted reticular venation, and covered with whitish powder-like substance. This is inflorescence is cymose clusters arranged in terminal or axillary spikes. Terminal or axillary spikes. This is terminal and these are axillary spikes. Flower is bracteate, sessile, monoclemidous, incomplete, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, pentamerous, hypogynous, and very small and inconspicuous. Flower is very small and very difficult to see all the floral parts in the dissecting microscope. It is very inconspicuous. Perianth, these are tepal. Tepal 5, polyphylous but basally connect. They are polyphylous but basally they are connect. बेस में जुड़े हुए होते हैं. Cephaloid, they are green in color. Quinquential, oblong to lanceolate. Now we come to the androecium. Stamens 5, polyandrous, located opposite to the perianth lobes. Opposite to the perianth lobes. Here. Filaments long and equal sized, anthers dithecous, basifixed and enclosed, bent towards ovary. Gynoecium is bicarpellary. Syncarpus, superior. This is superior position of the ovary. Unilocular. You can see one locule here. One ovule, basal placentation, shortly stalked ovary, styled short, and stigmas 2 and hairy. This is two stigmas and hairy. Fruit is a membranous article. This is Ls fruit. Seed one endospermic with horseshoe shaped curved embryo. Now floral formula. Bracteate. This is bracteate, E bracteate. Actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, P5, free, A5, free, endoecium 5, free, and G, gynoecium 2 and ovary superior. Now we come to the identification and systematic position. So, seeds enclosed within the ovary wall, so angiosperms. Presence of two cotyledons, reticulate venation, pentamerous flowers, dicotyledon. Presence of perianth, which makes the flower incomplete, monoclemidy. Curved horseshoe-shaped embryo, curve embryo. Plant is herb. Leaves and stems are merely to touch. Monoclemidous flowers. Antiphylous stamens, which are 5 in number. Placentation basal and fruit article. These are the characters of Chenopodiaceae. And inflorescence cymose cluster arranged in spikes, leaves covered with mealy powder, and flowers small and inconspicuous. That is the characters of Chenopodium. So this is the description of Chenopodium belonging to the family Chenopodiaceae. Thank you.